Slow height please.
Slow height.
Loud and clear forward.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Prepare nyo lang yung port side.
Okay sir, pagtantor, prepare natin.
Thank you. Slow height please.
Slow.
Pagdating natin koy, angkurahe muna tayo koy, medyo malakas lang yung amihan kaya maalon.
Stop engine please.
Stop.
Forward, standby na yung port anchor.
Okay sir, stand by.
Hard port please.
Hard port. Anchor sir, ready.
Okay, copy. Thank you.
Hard port.
Oh, thank you. Chip runner please. Forward, standby tao mo, mo open brake, atras tayo.
Roger sir, stand by kami, atras tayo.
Dead slow start please.
Chip.
Good morning koy. Atras na tayo koy na Ito yung quick water koy. Atras tayo. Ito yung characteristic ng right-handed. Swing yan sa starboard side kapag right-handed. Tapos malapit na gitna, area na natin yung kanina natin. Forward, let go port anchor.
Let's go, port anchor.
10 o'clock long stay.
Roger sir, 10 o'clock, long stay.
Okay, copy. Thank you. Abiso kapag mag-slack na siya, mag-up and down.
Roger sir.
Ito po yung Ships Victor. Dito ko tinitingnan kung saan yung papaling yung barko kapag magmanyobrada ka.
Okay na forward, secure the breathing forward. Thank you, dismiss.
Okay sir, copy. Secure everything forward.